जगन्नाथ। ये हुई ना बात। ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर श्री डॉक्टर महालिंग जी, ऑनरेबल एमपी डॉक्टर बेहरा जी, all the friends from the industry, government, and all my dear young friends who have come probably from the universities. It's indeed a joy to be with you. उत्कर्ष उड़ीसा एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जिस प्रोग्राम ने उड़ीसा को ग्लोबल स्टेज पे पहुंचाने का काम किया है। आज आपने देखा 7,000 करोड़ रुपीस के एक्चुअल में आने वाले इन्वेस्टमेंट्स यहां पर अनाउंस हुए हैं। ये होता है जज्बा एक स्टेट का, जब उस स्टेट के 4.5 करोड़ लोग डिसाइड करते हैं कि हमको भी अब डेवलपमेंट के रास्ते पे आगे बढ़ना है। ये जज्बा आज उड़ीसा ने दिखाया है। मैं आपके साथ 3 बातें रखूंगा। फ्रेंड्स, I wanted to share with you a couple of things. First, the progress of our semiconductor mission has really enthused the entire world. All of us know just about 3 years ago, 1st Jan 2022, जब प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने अप्रूव किया था हमारा सेमीकंडक्टर मिशन, you recall that time when the world was really looking at us with question marks, correct? It was like whenever we would go to any conferences, any meetings, when we call the people, they were like really skeptic, होगा नहीं होगा, 1962 से ये लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं, होगा नहीं होगा, right? That was the thought process. सेकेंड ईयर में 23 के बिगिनिंग तक लोगों के माइंड में आया कि नो, these guys are very serious, very sincere people, they really want to do something. 24 तक अप्रूवल्स होने लगे प्रोजेक्ट्स के. Would you believe all the 5 projects that we have given, that we have approved, all the permits, टाटा के प्रोजेक्ट में the time for getting permits was less than 90 days. CG पावर का जो परमिट रहा, that was less than 60 days. और अब केन सभी काम चालू करने वाले हैं. Your design is done. When they would like to start the project, the same thing will be repeated. When I shared this at Davos recently, the entire industry was amazed. They could never imagine that for a plant as complex as a semiconductor plant, you can get the permits within 90 days. Believe you me, the thinking which was there a few years ago about India becoming a semiconductor destination, now that thing is gone. Now the entire world believes that India will be a major semiconductor destination. There is absolutely no doubt about it. And Odisha will play a big part in that journey. Odisha has some of the brightest engineers, some of the brightest students who are doing so well all across the world. Why can't they do here also? They can. Yes, they can and they will. That is the framework, that is the infrastructure, that is the enabling environment we are committed to create. So that was the first point about semiconductors. The second point is about AI. You have all heard about the India AI mission. Some people question the amount of investment that the government has committed in it. We have seen what DeepSeek has done, right? $5.5 million and a very powerful model, because the use of brain, the use of a different type of algorithm. Very soon we will also have our own LLM. We have already been working on it for some time now, and the progress has been amazing, because we are starting from a very different investment level. The way our engineers have been thinking about LLM, the way our engineers have been thinking about the algorithms is very different from the high investment, high compute, high energy kind of models. And today we have one good benchmark in front of us, so that will be our next journey. In the India AI compute facility, we have received compute bids for creating 18,000 GPUs. We were targeting 10,000 GPUs, and the bids that we have received is 18,000 GPUs. Imagine the biggest supercomputer our country had developed earlier was about 700 GPUs, and this is 18,000 GPUs. Imagine the compute power that we are getting now. And this is just the beginning. Every quarter we will be empaneling more people. Anybody who wants to invest in AI compute facility is today getting a platform through the India AI mission where you can really create that facility which will be used by everybody. And I'll request the state, and we will work together. This is a double engine ki sarkar, and will create the AI compute facility, AI data center in Odisha also. साथ मिलके करेंगे. Right? I'll come to the third point. Talent. All of you have seen the model that our Prime Minister has given. When we started the 5G journey, we said that talent is going to be the most important thing. So that's why our Prime Minister approved 100 universities where we have set up 5G labs, already set up, working, students actually trying out new solutions. Then came semiconductor. We will do 100 universities, and today actually we have 240 universities where the students have access to the best world-class EDA tools. Actually, students are having access today to the best-in-class, world-class tools, so that when they come out, they are ready for the world, and they actually work on the chips. And today we saw some of the boards being given, boards which were prepared by CDAC, so that the students can actually work on the chip, do a little bit of tinkering with the chips, with the card, so that they get a real good, real life experience of this industry. Few days ago, we had promised that Odisha, we had earlier selected 4 universities, and we had promised that we will add 7 more universities. Promises are made to be kept. So I want to announce today that we have selected 7 more universities, and thank you Dr. Mahaling for helping us in selecting it. We have selected 7 more colleges and universities where the semiconductor program will be started very soon as Dr. Mahaling says yes. He has said yes. Very good. So friends, आज मु आपनको सांगरे आसिकी बहुत खुशी होची जे केमिति माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ओडिसा रे इन्वेस्टमेंट पाई गोटे बहुत विशाल गोटे एमितिया गोटे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एमितिया गोटे एनवायरनमेंट तैयारी करिसेंती जे विश्व सारा जेते बड़ो इन्वेस्टमेंट इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स अछंती समस्ते आज आछंती ओडिसा रे आपन माने समस्त जानिछंती रेलवे रे आमे ओडिसा रे केते इन्वेस्टमेंट करूछे 73,000 करोड़ टेलीकॉम रे आमे केते इन्वेस्टमेंट करूछे 5,033 करोड़ and today IT 7,000 crore. I hope this will be a big win for Odisha, and we are committed that will make Odisha an IT hub. आमे ओडिशा को IT hub तैयारी करिवा माननीय मंत्री जी कहउथिले जे 3 लाख स्क्वायर फुट सेटा केवल बिगिनिंग होबो 3 लाख स्क्वायर फुट right in the heart of the city, and I'll ask all the IT majors to be ready with it. I think the facility will be up and running within a few months from now. Already up to 4 floors it is done. It's on the Bhubaneswar station. So the entire station is done. 4 floors are already done, plus 7 more floors we will create. So that will give you the 3 lakh square feet. Absolutely good world-class IT hub facility. We are working with the state government for another land parcel. If that land parcel is made available, देन 3 लाख के बाद में 12 लाख और ही वॉन्ट्स 12, 3 से इनका मन नहीं भरता, बिल मांगे मोर। तो आप थोड़ी सी जमीन की हेल्प कर लो, we will definitely give 12 lakh square feet more. So that means 12 and 3, 15 lakh square feet, 1.5 million square feet area of very good quality, managed and operated by some of the best in the world. We are trying to create the facilities which can become the benchmark for GCCs in the state. So that's the thought process that we have, and I hope that very soon we'll be able to deliver that so that all of you can use it. Odisha will also become electronics manufacturing hub, and in that the first step will be taken by Keynes by manufacturing a very high density, high end PCB manufacturing plant in Odisha with a huge investment, and that will be supported by the state government as well as by the central government. Thank you very much. Thank you once again, and God bless you. Jai Jagannath! Jai Jai Jagannath!